Hi friends, WordPress is a great platform to create business website in no time. What you need to do? Just select a perfect WordPress theme for your business category. In this video, we are going to create a website for photography studio, filmmaker or director website. And if you are targeting any such website, this video is going to be really helpful for you because we are going to overview a very popular theme in this category called 9 Studio. 9 Studio is a dedicated theme for director, movie, photography and filmmaker and all such related categories. It is a dedicated theme for creative filmmaker, agencies, corporations and the themes, personal, film studio, filmmaker, film center and all such related category. The theme had been developed by the Theme Move and they are Power Elite author at Invato Market. You can simply buy the theme by following the video description link. Somehow this link is not working and I'm unable to show you the demo layout, but yes, I will show you all the layouts and options once we complete the installation so that you may understand what is actually laying inside the theme, what are the layouts available with the theme. This theme has been well accepted by the users and got 4.60 star rating, and it is coming from a Power Unit author. Of course, the quality of theme is very good. The theme came into existence in 2017 and the regular updates for this theme is also going on time to time. So you have to buy the theme from the video description link, and once you buy the theme through the link, and that is through the affiliate link of Invato Market at themeforest.net, you can join the iCreate program. We are going to help you in every manner in making your website and live and up in no time. And it is a free program for those who are buying the theme through the video description link. Affiliate link of Invato Market. Okay, it should be very clear, so I am repeating the things. Okay, so I am proceeding for installation of this 9 Studio theme. I have this press installation of WordPress with me, and I am using this Softaculous Manager for installing the WordPress core, and it is well available at cPanel based hosting plan, and you can also avail the same hosting plan through the WP Themes website. Again, you have to follow the links. Next, I'll show you the theme pack, what you are going to get in the theme pack when you will buy the theme from the Invato Market. In the theme pack, you will get the main installable theme file, the documentation part, the child theme and the plugins. So some plugins, okay, in fact, many plugins are bundled in the theme pack itself. So we can simply go for installation using this installable theme file pack, and it is showing 9.3 MB. Okay, so I'm going and taking it very fast, and I'll simply upload the theme using the file manager to the instance that is I am using. This is file manager that is available on cPanel, WP content, themes, and here we have to upload the zip file of installable file. And 9 Studio is here. So 9 Studio version name .zip. Okay, so it got uploaded within few seconds. This is the beauty of hosting plan that we are using. Simply extract this and reload the page, delete the zip one and the macOS. Now come back to the themes screen. We have 9 Studio here. Let us check the details. I'm using 9 Studio version 3.3.8. Activate. We have this alert to install plugins. Let us see what is here. Inside core, the main plugin, Revolution Slider for hero images, WP as page builder. This is for contact form, Instagram feed, MailChimp for email subscription. This is for post formats. Okay, the WP Bakery page builder add-on, WP C product bundles for WooCommerce and its associates. So I'm selecting all 13 plugins, and we'll try to install all plugins in one go just in case if it works. Otherwise, we need to install plugin one by one to avoid error. So all these steps are necessary steps, and you have to install at least these 3 plugins. Rest are recommended, but I generally recommend to install all plugins at the very first instance. Later you can decide which plugin you are actually using for your website and The plugins that you are not using, you can deactivate and delete later. Once the demo content and your website gets complete, we can take such decisions. So plugins, number of plugins are 13, and it is certainly going to take time, and I wish to show you the actual time. This is why I am not pausing the recording of this video while the plugin installation is going on. Yes, so three main plugins are pre-packed, some coming from the WordPress repository and some from external sources. WordPress repository is mainly feeding the plugins. Okay, so all 13 plugins got installed and even activated successfully. So we can simply return to the dashboard. All plugins has been installed and activated without any error. You can see all green is here. So we are fine with the plugin set, and it is redirecting to setup wizard. I believe it is for WooCommerce. Yes, it is for WooCommerce. So you can complete this wizard at this time, or it can be completed later as well, because it is totally up to you how you are using the theme. And actually, if you are using the WooCommerce part, you can complete the wizard. So I'm back here at dashboard, and I have all the plugins along with the theme, and further we can check our website how it looks with the theme and all setup plugins. So this is the basic look of website that is using 9 Studio. And now I'm proceeding towards importing the demo content without any further delay. And after that, I'll show you the layouts that is available, because we did not find this link working for watching the layout. But yes, I'll install it and show you the layouts. And inside core is here, and the import option I can see here. So the import notice I can see, and this is the demo import option. So import notice is simply saying to make importer working perfectly, it needs to delete all existing post pages. So we can change the post and simply click on the delete post. It will help us. Okay. Now we have this option called import this demo. So we can simply click on this, and it is going to work for importing the demo content. And yes, progress bar is here, and it is going to show us what is the status. And amazingly, it is showing demo content import successfully in just 4 seconds. How it can be possible? Let us check the website actually. And yes, so something is here, not exactly. And his website is here, not something. It is complete website, I believe. In 4 seconds, a demo can be imported. But it's really strange for me. But I can see everything is fine, and it is working. And I can check again. So it is amazing. In 4 seconds, we got a demo website. I'll check the pages, filmmaking. Yes, it is working. And the next, the About Us page. So it is really unbelievable for me. The demo import got complete in just 4 seconds. Strange, but it is true, and it worked. And finally, we have these all home pages like movie production, filmmaker, photography studio, professional director, ultimate agency, inspirational blogger, portfolio showcase, industry exhibition, film presentation. So I am showing you all the home pages because demo was not available with the theme listing. So this is one home page. This is for the filmmaking. Another, the home production. So I believe, yes, it is also very good. Yes, really. So it is really attractive. So this is for home production. So all these pages are at our installation now. Just be sure. These all pages are available for us, and we can choose any of these home pages, or any all internal pages are also available. So I'm just showing you the home page options. So this is another one. This is for home studio. I'm cutting. This is for home director. Yes, it is also equally good. This is for home agency. Yes, it is also fine. This is for home blogger. Okay, good one. And the home showcase. Wonderful. The home exhibition and the home presentation and the home filmmaking. Yes. So all these layouts are available with us, and we can simply any of these home pages and the related internal pages will be available. So installation was really smooth, and it was a very simple installation. You don't need any technical knowledge for this, and I believe you will be able to do so. So now we can conclude. We can buy this theme. You can buy this theme for making your website project, and once you buy the theme from the inverter market by following the video description link, and that is an affiliate link, and you can join the iCreate program. We are going to help you in installation and basic customization and all. So we have this complete website, and now I'm going to show you the backend again. So on the dashboard, we can set the basic things, we can customize the basic things, and I'll show you all the options that is available at the dashboard. One by one, what is new here? Insight Core is here. This is welcome page of Insight Core, and then it is showing the basic things like what is installed here and the plugin sets. Next, we have this customize option, and you can check what is here. Okay, so it is basically WordPress customize section, and the customize option will give us more flexibility to customize the theme option. Site customization, so we can enable page, post, or primary color, normal color, link color, font family, all can be set here. So these are all basic things that we can change here. Header part, we can change the visibility, sticky search, and the related things. Similarly, title, breadcrumbs, footer, copyright, all these options are available in this area. Next, we can check the system information on port and deciders. So theme part is to be controlled from this section, and I can show you the theme part. So if just in case if you are not using any of these page, any of this demo sections, so you have to delete this part. Like if you are not using the theme part or not editing all these demo content, you can delete the part. Projects is to be handled from the project section, and I can show you the project page as well. This is one of the project page, and you can add as many projects as you want. A mega menu is here, just in case if you want to create a mega menu at your website. Two are already available. You can edit the existing mega menu, or you can add new. WP Clever is also available for adding more features at your website. So these are basically features for the e-commerce and the related activities of e-commerce. So you can choose what you want for your website. For the essential kits and the smart compare, smart quick view. So these all are for e-commerce activity. WooCommerce is of course available here because theme well supports the e-commerce activity and its associate parts. WP Bakery is the page builder that has been used for the theme, Instagram feed, and the rest of things. So styling and customizing is going to be simple if you are using the existing layouts, and you can proceed further for customizing the information, the text content and the image. So simply open the page that you want to edit and click on edit with WP Bakery page builder, and the content will be readily available for editing. So you don't need any technical knowledge for creating a website using WordPress. As I said, you just need to select a suitable theme, and I'm happy to share this information that this channel and WP Themes has 1000 plus resources to explore. You can explore other themes, other layouts, the plugins for feature enhancement, and how-to guides are also available. This is WP Bakery page builder that is available, and you can simply edit the content using these options. So simply click on the pencil icon where you want to edit, and you will be able to edit the content. what you have to keep in mind, you have to use the same dimension of image and the same length of text. And you can also use this backend editor. It is going to be more useful and helpful for you, because it shows all the areas and the separated columns, and the cut copy paste also option is also available here. And you can simply add new sections, remove the existing one, and change all the contents using these options. So I believe I have shown you much of the things about this theme, and you are now aware about the theme features and what home pages are available with the 9 Studio WordPress theme. Next, we can target another category website, and I believe you are already a subscriber of this channel, and I'm coming with more WordPress resource in the next video. Till then, goodbye, keep watching, keep building. Thank you.